Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. And in this session, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a solution proposal document, or in few companies you may call solution design document during change request. So I'm going to teach you about when you prepare a solution proposal document in your project during change request. If you watch our any other videos related to support project, where I explained about RFP and RFC. Something like request for proposal and request for change. So first the request for proposal will be created and it will be converted to request for change. So here that process, and while making this request for change and request for proposal during process, you have to prepare a document called solution proposal document. Solution document, and few companies may call solution design document. So what is this document about, and how do you prepare, and what are the different kind of data you are going to mention in this document? I'm going to teach you today. So solution proposal document you are going to prepare. So during RFP, RFC, I told you that. So for example, this is document, SPD or SDD, whatever you call. So when you prepare this document, what are the main things you need to consider? I'm going to teach you. So we can take one example and give respective elaboration also. So that will give a good idea for you how to deal and how to prepare a respective solution proposal document. So this will contain a document, a template will be prepared and it will be given by your team or the seniors or the management team, not exactly management, the technical architects, they prepare a template document. So for example, this is a solution proposal document and let's take it. So if you consider this as med cells, I can put it in the heading. Okay. So this is the one, and here you will have the number, whatever the CR number or RFP number, and you can give any date, like when was the requested date or when the CR date. Okay. So like requirement date. So maybe module, company or client name with whom you are working, for which client you are working, that also you can give that. We can put it like this, CR number and name of the CR or title of the CR, for which one you are working on the title of the CR. So here when you prepare this one, CR number, let's take it something GPN 001. Title, you can write any of the process which where you are working or what kind of development you are going to do it, that also you can mention. So what is the exactly business requirement and what you are going to do, so those details will be available here. So title of the CR and when was the requirement date, 26. Today you are preparing, so maybe the requirement has come on 15/07/2025. Module SAP MM, company name, the client which you are going to work on that, GP group of company, GPGC, whatever you can give, and title of the CR and what exactly the activity you are going to do it, that you can mention it. So the title of the CR, you are going to develop a report or creating a new smart form, okay, or you are building an interface between two systems by using certain kind of a customized fields. So what kind of a CR you are going to do, that you can put it here. You can put it like transfer slip form. Transfer slip for location to location. So once this title, everything is available, then later you need to check that what details we are going to put it and what are the different kind of data going to mention. So business requirement. So first the business requirement, and if you give a section wise, maybe you can put it business requirement, and next one will be solution proposal or proposal solution. What the solution exactly are going to do it. And assumptions. Generally, we have certain kind of assumptions. The business will always perform the transfer posting first, and then they want to have a auto type of auto printing. Okay, like that. So solution proposal assumptions. Maybe we can have in solution proposal we can put it all the information and efforts estimation. So how many efforts you're going to do it, and finally we will have approval sign off. Or we can put it directly the approvals. So mainly the 5 categories will be available in the document. So in the business requirement, you need to provide that warehouse users need to print a transfer slip when the transfers are happening between specific storage locations. They don't want to print for everything. The specific storage locations when they transfer, they want to print the transfer slip. Specific storage locations. Here, the layout of the transfer slip provided needs to be developed as per the given layout. Business will give you the layout, so based on that, you need to prepare it. So the solution proposal based on the business requirement, new smart form or header form. You can mention form only. Technically, smart form, header form only will be there. You can directly mention the latest. New header form needs to be developed. Okay. So in the solution proposal, you can put it few bullet points or how you wanted to show it. Like you can give it a bullet points also. You can give. First one is new form development as per the given layout. New output type creation in SAP MM configuration. You have to configure new output type, assign output type to the inventory output processor. You can say like as a schema or processor, what we can call. New output type must be assigned. Condition records need to be for required storage locations. Moment type. In that combination, if you are moving from 311, not every 311 should trigger this output, so that the given locations, the business wanted to print the transfer slip only when the transfer is happening between these locations. So that also need to be done. So layout, everything, you can get it the data, and configuration wise also you can mention where you are going to do the config. Okay, those kind of information can be put it. Even the you don't have to mention that level in the solution proposal document. So you can mention some more information, or you can directly give in the configuration document. We are going to provide the details anyway. So where exactly you are going to do the output type and all. So this is SPRO, reference IMG. So reference IMG and material management, inventory management and physical inventory. Okay. So here, when you come to this inventory related one and whatever details, like for example, if you go to goods receipt, the goods receipt related document and all they will be there. And when you wanted to maintain only the print related things, you have to go to print control and assign print indicator, all the information will be there. Here, you can go to output determination, define. We mostly use the same combination of condition table and all, so you have to go to maintain output types. So in this maintain output type, you can create a new output type for the transfer procedure, the transfer slip, and maintain output determination procedures. Here, need to assign the new output type. Okay. So here, need to assign the new output type. So once a new output type is assigned, then the condition records need to be done. So this all you can find the detailed video about inventory management output procedure where we have given the details. So maintain output determination processes. And so like output message procedure, output determination procedure. So the layout wise, I want to show you again the screen wise. This is the layout, the solution proposal document. And you have to give the CR number, whatever that you call like RFC number or CR number, the title, what exactly the CR about, transfer slip for location to location. And when was it was required, requirement date given by the business, when was the request mainly came to you, and which module, and which client which is going to be done. Okay. So here the main part will be in the business requirement, solution proposal. Then we'll go for assumptions and all. In business requirement, you need to provide some more information like what is exactly the business requirement and what kind of benefit business is going to get it. Okay, so that information you can provide. So business can track each goods movement and manage each goods movement, each physical goods movements properly due to the slip. Warehouse keeper can use this to verify the physical goods quantity. So like that, you can write some more information, business requirement. Solution proposal wise, the based on business requirement, a new header form needs to be developed. The form development as per the given layout. So the layout will be given by the business. So how it was, the layout will be there. The based on the layout needs to be developed. Okay. The layout can be having the plant details, material, quantity. Okay. So you need to get it, and then you have to prepare the FS for that. So for example, material, quantity, plant, source, S-log, destination S-log. So that kind of information will be there, and the overall the layout wise, anything address is there here, from address and to address. So that storage location, source location address, and destination location address, this can be tracked. So if you are using any kind of the two step, for example, 313 and 315, 313 will be done with the goods issue, and 315 for the receipt. Okay. So if you're using kind of mostly I'm telling about the transfer slip with Miko. So in that point only, I explained about the inventory management related. So this kind of a layout also will be prepared, and based on the business requirement, the similar kind of a form will be developed. Once the form is developed, you can test whether it is triggering properly or not, and those things. So the output type creation, configuration, and SN output type with inventory standard procedure. Then the condition records, it's a part of master data. So once it is maintained. So the assumptions are something like business maintains the proper condition records with required printer. They need to give in the printer when they maintain the condition record. Otherwise, auto print will not happen. So that's the thing, one of the assumptions. And Yeah, that kind of assumption you can give it. Any other assumptions which we are going to expect that business will do this step, then only it will work. So such kind of information we need to give. So effort estimation, kind of an Excel sheet where you can prepare the different things like how we can prepare an effort estimation. So we'll have a layout. So you can have a different things like requirement gathering, solution proposal, solution review, then development. Something it looks like our SR methodology or activate methodology, how it will happen, right? Development, configuration, development, and unit testing. If you have anything applicable, then only system integration testing, then UAT, go live preparation, post go live support. So this kind of a template will be there, and here functional, technical. If you have anything basis authorization, okay, you can give basis or security because they will take care about the any authorization required. And review team, because you may have any solution architect team or managers who are going to review that also can be provided. The templates will be given in your company when you're working on that, and but I'm sharing at the high level how does it look like. So if you see, this is the part of system setup. You can give that. So it's part of, it's a kind of solution setup, testing, something 4 sections. For requirement gathering, and the functional team is working with the business and making and all, maybe 0.5. Let me keep all the numbers. Okay. So we can put it as a format cells. Yeah, number with decimals. Already because of that it was done. And also we'll keep it. So here you can give it like requirement gathering. The functional will discuss business layout, everything. Maybe you can put it for the form. And solution proposal, we're going to work on that, maybe 0.75. The review team, solution they will review. They might take some 0.50. So the solution proposal and configuration development, maybe we can give, if applicable, FS. Here we have something, right? So the configuration, maybe we'll give 0.5, and the FS design, you need to work on the form layout, everything, maybe 1.5. Development, technical team will take it 5 man days to develop the form. Here maybe in FS design or review team might have one kind of a review so that they can put it. Unit testing for the form, you will give SIT, maybe not applicable, directly to the UAT, or at least as part of that process, if you want to test, maybe you can keep it in 0.5. UAT, only support we are going to do it. So the form unit testing will take more time. So UAT wise, when the business having any issues, 0.5. The technical team also will give you any bug fixes. We give some buffer for them. Okay. Unit testing, we thoroughly test, and during that point of time, technical team also will give some involvement. So we can give some 0.5, and unit testing will be 1.5. Go live preparation, preparing the authorizations are available or not, and is there any kind of that transport request, coordination, everything. So go live preparation wise, they also will help us, but functionally we will do more coordination. support, you can put it something support like this. So this is the way how we can make this one B3. Okay, so this is the overall efforts for making that kind of a 7.5. If the efforts are a little more and why these kind of things, maybe we need to reduce it. Here we can reduce. In development team, we'll ask them to reduce to 4. And unit testing we can reduce to 1. Okay? Something we can reduce based on the review and all. Something like this, the effort estimation will be prepared. So that entire effort estimation, we are going to keep it like this. So the solution document, we can put it here, effort estimation. So the approvals, it will be prepared, the table format will be there. So if you take it, approved by how many people are going to approve? Okay, you can approve from the different people like approval details. It can be like so whenever you are giving these approvals, we have to give the designation and how it will be them. Okay, those kind of things will be available. So you can here name, role, department, signature, date. So like that, you can put it that details like this, and prepared by who prepared this one, viewed by. If you have a review, then you can put it. Otherwise, directly approved. From the business side also, who approved like that. Okay. So if you see the details, the filling, we can put it. Okay. So name who prepared and who reviewed and approved by his role, department, which department and all. So approvals, we can put it like this is all IT team. In the business also, we can put a separate one. Reviewed by and approved by, because the preparation is done by consultant. So no need this one reviewed by and approved by. This would be better for them. So the approvals, you can put it the IT team. Business team. Once the IT team is approved that one, then they will also put the signature. So once this approval process are done, the approvals are the last one. Is the effort estimation, assumptions, and you can write the based on the solution, the layout, how will the form layout look like. Okay, those are all kind of details can be put. I hope in this session you understand how does the details need to fill, and the template you don't have to prepare. It will be taken from this ITIL related any sample templates or the project management when they deliver that hand over the project to support team, they will prepare these kind of documents or the more or less the how to fill the data and what kind of data will be captured. You can understand the exact layouts you can find based on your project. Once you join, you will get a this is our solution proposal document, when do you need to prepare, and those kind of things definitely you can follow. Okay. So that is the way how you can prepare a solution proposal document during your change request. When you're working on the change request, you will prepare it. When it comes to the implementation, we mostly go with a solution design document or blueprint document. It will have a few pages of document where you capture the solution details and each process, what processes and all. Okay, that's the thing. So in the testing efforts and all, you can, when you go for the test script, you have to prepare. In solution proposal document, we may cover the test scenarios, what all test you can mention like that. You can put it like storage location to storage location, transfer needs to be tested to get the in the all the details, quantity, address, etc. need to be verified. So this is the way how you can do it. So I hope in this session you got an idea how to prepare a solution proposal document, a solution design document during your change request. You can practice, and the templates will be prepared based on your company, and you will get a template, but how to fill and how to capture the data. I hope you got a good idea in this video. If you have any other inputs, if I missed, or if you have any other valid points, please put it as a comment. So definitely I will try to add to the same video, or additional bytes I can add it. Thanks for your time, and keep watching and keep rating our courses on Udemy, and keep sharing our videos on YouTube or LinkedIn, wherever you watch. Thank you. Thanks for your time.